I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C serum effectively. Vitamin C serum is a fantastic addition to your skincare routine, offering a multitude of benefits. It's a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from environmental damage, brightens your complexion, and can even reduce the appearance of fine lines. We'll cover the best practices for application to ensure you get the most out of this beneficial product, making your skin look its absolute best. The best time to apply your vitamin C serum is in the morning, right after you've cleansed and toned your face. This allows it to work throughout the day, protecting your skin from environmental stressors. Simply dispense about 3 to 5 drops onto your fingertips. Then, gently press the serum into your face and neck, ensuring even coverage. Give it a minute or two to fully absorb before moving on to your next step. When layering your skincare products, remember the general rule: thinnest to thickest. Your vitamin C serum should go on before any heavier creams or facial oils. After the serum has absorbed, apply your favorite moisturizer to hydrate your skin and seal in the serum's benefits. And critically, always finish your morning routine with a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. This protects your skin and maximizes the serum's effectiveness. To ensure your vitamin C serum remains effective, proper storage is key. Keep it in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat, as light and air can degrade the active ingredients. Look for serums containing L-ascorbic acid, ideally in a concentration between 10 and 20% for optimal results. If your serum turns a dark orange or brown, it's likely oxidized and should be replaced to ensure you're getting the full benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.